Before you book that appointment, let me tell you about the biggest mistakes people make. Mistakes that can cost you time, money, and even your results. First, choosing the wrong clinic. Not all clinics are created equal. A cheap deal might sound tempting, but a bad transplant can leave you with scars, unnatural hairlines, and even infections. Do your research. Read real patient reviews. Check the doctor's credentials and never go to a clinic just because it's obviously cheap. 2. Ignoring the clinic's instructions. You would be surprised how many people ignore instructions. Your post-op instructions are crucial. That means no scratching your scalp, no heavy workouts, and definitely no smoking or alcohol for at least 10 days. A single mistake can slow down healing or even worse, cause your new grafts to fall out and ruin the result. 3. Expecting immediate results. Hair transplants are not an overnight miracle. Your new hair isn't going to grow in a week. In fact, after the transplant, your hair will shed before it grows back. Don't panic. This is totally normal. Real results take between 6 to 12 months. So patience is a key here. 4. Picking the wrong hairline. Your hairline isn't just about looking younger. It needs to look natural for your face shape. Some guys go for a super low, straight across hairline, but that can look weird as you age. A good clinic will design a hairline that suits you long term. So don't try to get your 18-year-old hairline back. Obviously, just trust the process. 5. Over-harvesting the donor area. I'm afraid, but your donor area is limited. That means if you are not careful, a bad clinic might over-harvest, leaving you with thin, patchy hair on the back of your head. Make sure your surgeon is experienced in FUE or DHI techniques and knows how to distribute grafts properly. 6. Rushing back to the gym. Hitting the gym too soon is a big mistake. Sweating, increased blood pressure, and heavy lifting can disrupt the healing process and even cause grafts to fall out. Take at least 2 weeks off from intense workout. Your hair is more important than a few gym sessions over here. And finally, 7. Thinking a hair transplant is a cure for balding. Here's the hard truth. A hair transplant isn't a cure for hair loss. If your hair is still thinning or falling out in other areas, you will need to take medications or supplements like finasteride, minoxidil, and others to keep the rest of your hair from falling out. Otherwise, you'll end up with a thick hairline and thinning hair behind it. Now you know the biggest mistakes to avoid. So before you book that hair transplant procedure, do your own research, follow your doctor's advice, and manage your expectations as well. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more hair restoration tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you in the next one.